How to fix iPhone camera when it keeps freezing. Force quit all apps and relaunch the camera app. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen until you see all running apps. For iPhone with a home button, double press it. Force quit all apps by dragging them up until they disappear. Camera app included. When all apps are closed, wait for a few seconds and tap on the camera app again to launch it. Reboot your iPhone. If relaunching the camera app didn't help, restart your iPhone. It will give your device a fresh start and remove all minor errors that might have occurred. Check for an iOS update. Open the Settings app and go to General Settings. Tap on Software Update, then wait while the device searched for an available update. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install. Wait while the update process finishes and your iPhone restarts. Then, check the camera app. Clear your iPhone from unnecessary data. Open the Settings app. Tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. At the top, you'll see much space is taken and how much is free. If you need to free up space, review your photos, videos, downloaded and saved documents, as well as apps you no longer use, and delete everything you don't need. Reset your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app. Go to the General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset or Transfer or Reset iPhone on iOS 15. Now tap on Reset All Settings or Reset and then select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the action by tapping on Reset All Settings. Disable Voiceover. Open the Settings app. Go to Accessibility. Tap on Voiceover. Make sure Voiceover is turned off. Turn off Auto HDR. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to Camera Settings. Scroll to the bottom and toggle the switch to disable Auto HDR or Smart HDR. Change video recording quality. Open the Settings app on your device. Go to Camera Settings. Then tap on Record Video. Select the 1080p HD at 30 FPS option. Reset your iPhone to factory settings. If nothing helped, all you can do is reset your iPhone to factory settings. Unfortunately, this method will delete all data and reset settings to default. That is why, before resetting to factory settings, we recommend backing up all important documents. You'll find detailed information on how to restore your iPhone in the article linked in the video description below. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.